Yeah, I mean I say big and bad. You don't know the one done. Straight. Yeah. Well, me I say, me I defend Jesus Christ till the death. That's what me I say. Yeah. I want for people are going on this evil music, yeah. Yeah, me know me I try to be the artist, but me not sign the soul to no Baphomet. You see me? I will always put the most high in my thing because you what now. A whole heap of people are ball out God name, but I which God? You see me? Me hear Drake sing a song about God's plan. But I know God will fall the rain and shine the sun him a talk, you know. Him a talk about him himself. You see me? Him a call God. Because if you listen to this song one part of him I tell you say him go down like Jody. You see what I say? And he mention a part in the song when him a call himself God. You see me I say? So a lot of these Illuminati people you hear talk about God. Remember, the Bible tells us a lot of people will say Lord, Lord. You see me? But I hold me answer too. You see me? So it's just like you I try to make a relationship with a woman and you have some other people sit down on them bar and they chat you. And I laugh off you and say you're idiot. You see what I say? But it's how some people stay. Me not straight from the point. But it me I'm gonna say I saw Jesus Christ in go. Whenever you sign to the name of Jesus and say yes, you're going to praise him till you're dead. You see what I say? You see a lot of people run up and down to do all kind of something and sign all kind of paper, to do all kind of something. To look big and show up on people and show up on other people and show up on the enemy. You see me? But in the end, in the end bitter for them. When me sign my soul to Jesus Christ, it's not bitter for me. You see me I say? In some things people are going to hate you and not going to like you. You see me? Because nowadays, in this generation, a lot of people don't want to talk about God. You see what I say? The God doesn't talk about to get money. You see what I say? Some of them are not faith. Even some of these people who are got church, they're not no faith. You see what I say? Straight. Yeah, them people critical against one another, you know? And chat them all another. Just like the world and them chat them one another. Everybody chat people, but yeah, most of them overdo it. But me I defend Jesus Christ to the death. And remember me telling that. I want everybody have this as a reminder and store this. Yeah, me I defend Jesus Christ to the death. Me not do nothing to get nothing. Me not sell nothing to get nothing. That's what me I say. So all of who are fight me, I know me who not fight, I don't sell. And all of who are try to make me feel bad, I know me I go feel bad at Uno. And all of who are sanction against me. And I tell people all kind of shit against me when I go so. You think I'm me who not set up on myself. Know that. Straight. Me I go and do for do and praise me God and go through. You see what me I say? I whole heap of evil upon earth. Straight. Yeah man. Whole heap of evil upon earth. You see what me I say? Yeah man. So me I go and hold it and praise my God. So me I tell all of the God fearing people them say hold it and go and praise God no matter where you go through. Do what the devil does here and fool you. So me I say, he said good come to those who wait. Yeah. Now literally means that you have to sit down and wait. You have to go and help yourself until the good come. So me I say, but nobody sell your soul. Because over people sell them soul and live a happy life, but not the end it's bitter for them. Some dirty separation come, if one of them family member go up and them. Somebody in for them blood and have to feel it. So me I say, for them get all where they want to get. You know depend on that. So me I say, yeah. Me I defend Jesus to the death. And me I tell the church people them say, and now we have to take God serious, because you see, a whole heap of sign show already and more show again. You see what I say? Yeah. And them are coming with them ID now, become country liquid. Yeah, and say this way have you have. You see what I say? Straight. Read the Bible because they come treat me excited. They come for contact with Ferrari. You see me? So I go and defend the most high till the last breath left in me. I know about the next man. Because I know if I preach about God, and if you ask them what they for Christ, they're not dead for him. I tell you that straight. Yeah man, they're not dead for him. The more they call him name, they say me I say, yeah. Straight. The real thing me I tell you. Yeah man.